It is an enhancement. Makeup is like putting on a nice outfit that you actually put thought into. You don't love yourself any less because you want to dress nice. And I think people should think like that. You could always just leave out today and just put on plain jeans and a t-shirt, or put on a pair of sweats, and you're going to be able to function and do what you need to do. The clothing is going to serve its purpose. But if you add an extra layer, you throw a vest on with that t-shirt, if you decide to pop your sneakers or your shoes with your bag, it's an enhancement of an outfit that was already going to be perfectly fine without it.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't.
Hey you guys, Cimplycece here, and welcome back to my channel. I am interrupting my getting ready for the day to turn the camera on. So this side of my face looks a little different than this side. But I had some things on my mind, and it had to do with doing makeup. Before we jump into this video, I am Cimplycece. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Here on my channel, I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And I'm also documenting my sister lock journey, but they are absolutely up under this wig cap because I get them done next week. And I'm going to wear a scarf today. So if you're interested to see what my look turns out to be and what I want to chat with you guys about, please keep on watching. Make sure that you subscribe if you're not, like the video if you do enjoy it, and make sure that you share if you believe it can be helpful. So guys, I came on here. I will say someone had asked me for an updated skin routine in one of my sister lock updates. I want to let you know, Miss Ma'am, if you're watching this video, I saw you, I heard you, and it is coming. So I will give you guys a little brief update right now before I jump into the video. And I'm talking fast because I don't want the video to be long, and I am getting ready for work. So, but what I use on my skin is I use all the complete, the Fenty line by Rihanna. I use her moisturizer, I use her cleanser, I use her fat water, I use the under eye cream, I use the night cream. That's my regimen. Every now and then I'll use an Aveeno scrub. That's a good old faithful, but that is it, and it's very rare, maybe once a month or twice a month, depending on how I feel like my skin is looking and if I want to open my pores a little bit more. But other than that, it's just the Fenty. But like I said, I will give a more detailed video. On my eyes right now, I'm also using Rihanna's. This is from Fenty Beauty, and this is called the Bright Fix Eye Brightener. I will link it down in the description, you guys. I will link everything that I use down in the description. But again, I promise you, updated video is coming. So what I've done so far on my face is I have filled in my eyebrows. I fill in my eyebrows with my Rimmel London eyebrow pencil, which is very hard to find. I have to order it off Amazon now. I'm kind of scared, but I use it in the color black brown or 004, and I just fill it in lightly. If you guys don't know and it's your first time, my eyebrows are very, very full. They grow in really, really thick. This is after I got them done. I had them done yesterday, so I don't have to do much. But I use the brightener up under my eyes, and now I'm taking a beauty blender with some of the brightener on the back of my hand, and I am putting that under my eyes. But what I came on here to talk about, you guys, was the power of makeup. But not in the sense of hiding blemishes and how it can transform you. That is also very amazing. But the power of makeup and your mentality. And I was just having this, my lips feel like they're dry. I was just having this moment with myself this morning, and I'm going to continue to do my makeup. Maybe I should tilt you guys down just a little bit so you can, I'm not out of the camera. But, I was thinking about how I don't wear makeup every day, you guys. And even this, like, I don't wear a lot. And I'm not saying that there's anything against makeup. It's not. Like, I really love makeup, and I wish I was good at it. I don't spend that much time because it's not practical for my life. That's all. But do I like makeup? Yes. So now I'm going to take the same eye brightener, guys, and I'm going to go over my lids and just blur everything together. Because right now you can see that... and I got me some lash extensions, y'all. We're going to talk about everything. I got to update y'all. But I'm just going to go in. You see where under my lids is a little darker. And I'm just going to blend everything and make my face look just one glowy masterpiece. Anyway, I was, like I said, I don't do makeup like I used to for practical reasons. Because now I'm a mom of 2. I'm working full time, running my own business. So it's just really, really hard to have the time, and I could spend it because, again, I do run my own business. It's just I don't want to spend the time. But what I've learned, what I realized is that sometimes, even though I love myself and I don't do makeup, have a normal makeup, like get ready routine, because like y'all, normally I just get up, wash my face, and just go. Like I don't do any of what I'm doing right now, even though after I finish blurring this, we are going to be done. One thing I love about this eye brightener that I'm using by Fenty, you do not need to set it. It does not require any powder, and you can use it over any little blemish you have. I stick with the eyes, and this is literally done. But what I'm going to say before I get up from here, you guys, and I'm going to grab some for my lips because this is just not what's up, okay? I'm gonna grab something for my lips. Ooh. I'm gonna keep that in there so y'all can know that this is real life, but I might not. But anyway, I'm gonna grab some for my lips because they're dry, and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm gonna do with my scarf. So I'll be right back. Okay, I have to put something on it. Actually, I'm gonna drink some water too. We're talking. So anyway, you guys, what I've learned is like with me not having a morning makeup routine, that I fall in kind of a slump. And I don't know if sometimes I'm sensitive to things because I always say I'm a mental health survivor. I never heard that, but that's just what I say. And that's just saying, like, if you go through some really dark times, I went through some really bad depression in my life. And I got through it, thank God, you know. And so I feel like sometimes I wonder if I'm more sensitive to things just because I've been to that, or maybe I am overly aware of stuff. So I'm very aware of how I'm feeling. And so like I find that I fall into a little bit of a slump when I don't have like a regular makeup routine. And it's not that it's necessary, but I find that it is all inspiring. And I think to a capacity, I think that when, like, even today, applying just this little bit of makeup makes me feel really good. I'm excited about starting the day. I'm ready to get out and get going. And I'm going to bring out my little mo right here, y'all, just a little bit more because I like it to pop. And I think sometimes when I put my little makeup on, I cover it up. But I just find that it gives me like something to do. And I feel like we as people are just we are goal-oriented people, and we are made in some capacity to need like quick rewards, or what is the word I'm thinking of? Holy Spirit, help me. We y'all know what I'm trying to say. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me. What is I'm looking for? We need something that it can happen quickly and be satisfying sometimes. And for me, just doing my makeup today was like, yeah, I'm gonna do it because it gives me a different, you know, like it puts me in a different like headspace. It makes me feel like I'm okay with being seen. On my regular day, I don't really care who sees me, like, and that's fine too, but sometimes it can put you in a dark, you know, like more of a shadowy place versus like when you try, you know, you brighten up your face, like how my skin's looking. It got me really like, let's go, let's get out in the world. And this is it. I'm not going to put on anything else. This is lip gloss. That's it. This is my regular, like, if I do something routine, like if I was going out, I might put liner on my eyes, under my eyes, but this is all I'm wearing today. But, I feel like it just helps people to stay motivated about something. I think the problem with makeup is not that it hides things. I think the problem and why some people use makeup in an unhealthy way, I have done that. That's what I'm speaking from my own personal experience, is because we don't love ourselves first. So when I used to wear makeup a lot more, it was for a different reason. It was to make a mask. It was to make me feel beautiful. Makeup can make you feel beautiful. I feel like it enhances. I feel like I look beautiful with this on, but I've also felt like I look beautiful before I put it on. And that's the difference. I think for me, before I didn't think I was beautiful. I thought I needed makeup to be beautiful. And then when I learned to love myself, I always feel like I'm beautiful. So makeup has a different type of presence. And I just want to say this because sometimes people who wear makeup, I see sometimes people get a bad rep because they may do like a full face and then people's like, oh, you're catfishing. You know, you hear all that crap and it's internet trolls, but makeup is, it's makeup. It's a cover, and you can make it into something dark and, you know, horror movie-ish. You can make it something very beautiful, very glamorous. You can change the contour of your face. It's fun to me. I'm an artist. I'm a hairstylist. I think it's art. But I do think that we all should have some type of morning routine. I used to be a person who said I hate routines. That's what I'm trying to say in this whole video. And I find that routines are healthy when you do them for the right reasons. This morning I got up, I worked out for about 20-30 minutes. Then I showered, did my little makeup, and I feel much better today than the days when I showered the night before and get up in plenty of time to just get ready. And I was noticing the difference in my own emotional and mental space today by just doing this little bit of makeup. So I believe that it can help your mental health when it's done in a healthy way, is what I guess I'm trying to say. So don't shy away from makeup. If you've never worn it, if you've ever been a person that's like, I don't know how people put all that stuff on and you assume that people wear all people that wear makeup is because they don't love themselves. It's not true. Some people absolutely do. I was one of those people, but I'm also now a person who wears makeup because it's fun and it makes me feel exciting and bright and it makes me smile. And I like the instant results that I can get from it. Just a little and I would challenge you, if you don't normally do a makeup routine, you saw what I did and it was simple. Get your eyebrows waxed, ladies. If you don't do it, if you already do it, get your little eyebrow pencil if you want to. If you love your eyebrows, leave them that way. Get this little product from Fenty. Here comes my baby. But you can match yourself. Hey, Raven. Like, seriously, it's morning routine. And yeah. And, yeah, she got her bonnet on. You say good morning? You know, try out this Rihanna line. I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm growing. We're growing, but we're not sponsored. But I'm serious. Like, try it out and just give yourself a little something and see if makeup helps your mentality in some capacity. And this is for my people that are already healthy. If you are struggling with self-love, it's okay, Ray. Shh. Give mama a moment. If you're struggling with self-love, what I would say is you start there. Don't worry about makeup. Don't worry about anything. I've realized that if you don't have self-love, if you want to start a fitness journey, new diet, you want to start a makeup routine, whatever, dress different, it starts with mentally and internally loving yourself, guys. And work on that first. That would be journaling, prayer, and even get counseling if you need it. If you are a person who loves yourself and you want to like have a little extra pep in your step, as I used to hear when I was younger, try out like a little makeup routine. Do something new for yourself. I went and got lash extensions and I was just thinking like, oh, I don't need to spend money on it, but I love them and it's not necessary. I feel like I had great lashes before. You can wear strips, whatever, but I love it. It makes for an easier routine for me. And I would just say it starts there, ladies. Like, it truly starts with you absolutely loving yourself. And when you have accomplished that, when you are in love with who you are, add a little routine that helps to put you to a next level. Like this today, I don't care what nobody say, although I would like to hear what y'all feel. But I feel like this is really cute. This simple makeup makes me feel like, okay, you just did a little bit of something and it got you just popping. It just evened out all my skin tone. You don't have to, I didn't put any foundation, anything on, nothing on my forehead. Work on your skin. I understand that. Also getting a skin routine has made my makeup a lot easier too, because when you take care of your skin, I don't have many breakouts. Just take care of yourself. But adding that little bit, I'm like, man, I feel great and I'm excited to start today. I'm going to have to get my baby ready, get myself ready. I'm also going to slide in here a snippet of me tying my scars because I said I would. I'm going to do that. And then you guys, I'm going to go and enjoy my day. And I hope that you guys do it too. It's funny, but makeup and your mentality, and I do think that it can help. Makeup is not a bad thing. It is not a self-hate thing. It's not because you don't love the way you look anyway. It is an enhancement. Makeup is like putting on a nice outfit that you actually put thought into. You don't love yourself any less because you want to dress nice. And I think people should think like that. You could always just leave out today and just put on plain jeans and a t-shirt, or put on a pair of sweats, and you're going to be able to function and do what you need to do. The clothing is going to serve its purpose. But if you add an extra layer, you throw a vest on with that t-shirt, if you decide to pop your sneakers or your shoes with your bag, it just is an enhancement of an outfit that was already going to be perfectly fine without it. But it gives you a little extra step. So I hope that makes sense, you guys. I love you. I'm going to get out of here before I run on too much. I hope you understood it. If you did, let me know down in the comment section, you guys, if you feel what I'm saying. I use makeup as a metaphor, but I hope that you got the message I was trying to send. I love you guys. And as always, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay close to God. And remember that God loves you. He never wants to trick you. He never wants to hurt you. He cares for you. And I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye-bye. Say bye, Raven. Bye.